How to buy a ringtone in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how you can buy new ringtone on your iPhone. First things first, open up settings and then scroll down. Tap on sounds and haptics, and there you'll find ringtone. And go ahead and tap on tone store, that is under the store option. So here you'll find various ringtones like this. Open up the iTunes, but however, you'll need to pay for the ringtones here. So you can go to the charts and choose the most popular ringtones. You can see that it costs $1.29. So you can tap on it and set as default ringtone and make the payment if you want to buy the ringtone. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, everyone.